Are you having a bad day or a bad week or a bad year? Well, it happens to the best of us. The question is, what can you do about it? What can you do about it? And Jack Kornfield, he happens to be a phenomenal Buddhist monk and a meditation teacher, and he tells this story about the young Buddhist monk who goes from monastery to monastery, and everywhere he goes, he complains that it stinks. And it turns out that what happened is this young monk put his monk bag in a pile of dog shit, and because of that, wherever he goes, it stinks. It's not the problem of the different monasteries he goes to. It's the problem that what he's carrying around with him smells, right? And the question is, how can you apply this to your life? Now, you might be having a tough time with your family, with your friends, with your community, or at work. And it might be that it's everyone else's fault. It might be everyone else's fault 100%. But you can't do much about that if it's everybody else's fault. Now, what if it's your fault a little bit? Maybe it's your fault 10%. Maybe it's your fault 90%. Either way, the question is, what do you do that you can control right now to have more power in your life and to have a positive impact in your life so things are going better for you? So whatever it is, whether it's 10% or 90%, I encourage you to take control of your life. Ask yourself, what do I control here in this situation that I can improve to make things better? And then hopefully, if you do this, you will be able to have a better day, a better week, and a better year. Take control of your life. Take ownership and responsibility for what you control. And hopefully things will be much better. You can learn more on my website, things related to happiness and purpose. It's jimmccarthy.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.